So guys, yesterday we were buying the pound, guys. We hit both of our targets. We had initial fake out and we broke back inside and we had went on to hit both of our targets. So guys, and this is an overall bias of the levels that we can enter and the levels that we can take profit. But how and when to enter, guys? For that, guys, every trader has something called a trading system. You have to develop that yourself because it always depends on your personality, on your psychology. I also have free videos that you can watch on my trading system, but most of the time, what happens, everyone uses their own trading system, they have their own mindset. So they sometimes they validate all system, sometimes they don't. So I'm also developing since yesterday night after getting a lot of comments on entries. I've started developing a system to help traders identify entries on the 5 minute as well on the charts. Right now it's working on gold. It will help you see the SL and the profit areas as well. Okay, guys, it will be something like this. So there's that, guys. Sorry about that. Just let me fix this for in a minute in a GP and get back. And here we are, guys. So, anyways, guys, we were buying, even the AI was buying, and both of us were correct, and we went on to hit our targets. So, guys, the question remains, what are we going to do today? That is the question. And, guys, I am going to be selling this. But before, guys, I do that, I need to take a screenshot for the AI so that it can work on it. I did that. I'm just going to go here, cancel this, those files, give it the screenshot, and run FTM analysis. Meanwhile, guys, so guys, in my opinion, for today, as long as the price stays below 1.35626, guys, we are bearish. And the first target area, guys, would be 1.35122, and guys, my next target area, guys, would be 1.34883. And guys, I would always start buying this if the price breaks above the previous swing high, which is located at 1.35752. And guys, my target would be 1.36067. So let's look at what the AI has decided. And okay, it's still analyzing. Yeah, it takes time. So guys, the AI is still loading. Maybe there's an error problem there. So I'll skip that and we'll get back to hit the charts. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.